Discover Smartly by SOM Ligeron. A smart analysis solution to manage and convert data for integrated logistics support. Logistics support analysis requires to manage massive key data. These informations are organized according to specific standards. Open and customizable, Smartly is dedicated to import, analyze, edit, and convert these data, structured around modular elements. The first block is the 1388 module. Built around the import of 1388 compatible dumps, it allows the checking and editing of data in compliance with the MIL STD 1388 2B standard. The tool integrates low-level database customization to fit into every project and company support policy. Additionally, this module generates error logs and 1388 compliant dump exports. Switching to another standard must not be an issue. The 1388 to S3000L conversion module allows to preserve your data history and ensures the conversion to the S3000L format. The tool contains consistency check function to guarantee data transfer accuracy. You will be able to customize this conversion on a project level and edit your reports before and after conversion. The third block is the S3000L module. Through this module, you import the data through XML, XLS, or 1388 2B from the first and second modules. The S3000L module handles data modification, addition, and deletion. As much as the other blocks, it is customizable on a per-level basis and lets you export your data to an S3000L compliant XML. With Smartly, get your ILS data management simple, capitalize on your data for your upcoming projects, optimize your processing time, and master your data conformity.